First, use Sunshine 919B automatic OCA fill machine for each screen, then cover OCA on screen. We use a special silicone mold for fixed each screen. Then connect the Sunshine 959N power and turn on the power switch. Click Automatic and it will automatically warm up. Preheating temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. When the temperature reaches to 40 degrees Celsius, it's ready to start to laminate and debubble. Click Stop. Fitting debubble time is about 8 minutes. OCA laminate and debubble is done. The bonding effect is good, smooth and flat. Now prepare to laminate the LCD screen. In terms of Sunshine 959N interface operation, it is the same as the previous OCA LCD laminate and debubble complete. Perfect for defoaming, no bubbles, smooth and flat. Each screen mold made of silicone material. Good surface elasticity, high friction, not easy to remove. We start to laminate screen and remove the bubble. Place the straight screen with OCA and LCD screen in the slot. Regarding the straight screen, the Sunshine 959N interface operation is also the same as the H screen. After about 8 minutes, laminate and debubble is done. The bonding effect is good. Perfect rendering, smooth, no bubble. At the end of the work, then close the lid and exhaust. The exhaust sound stopped. The exhaust is clicked. Turn off the power. Thank you for watching. See you next time.